Hello, my name is Neha and I am the founder of Insiding Graphology Solutions. I am a certified and practicing graphologist and handwriting analyst since 2002. I also take extensive and intensive courses for teaching the subject of graphology as well. If you are very curious and interested about graphology and want to know how does it work, then this level 1 course of graphology is perfect for you. In this level 1 course of graphology, I will be teaching you the basics of handwriting analysis, what is the logic behind it, and help you understand how graphology works. After doing this course, you can immediately start analyzing the handwriting samples of self and others. The topics in this course cover all the basics you need to know to analyze any written sample and identify at least 20 to 25 personality traits from the same, which is a great start for any beginner in graphology. This course will help you to understand yourself, your family members, your office colleagues and others around you in much better and deeper ways which actually matter. It will make you more popular among your friends, colleagues, relatives and family members after you start analyzing their writing samples. As a teacher, you will get to know your students better. As an HR, you will be able to understand the employees better and will be able to do better hiring for your company. So whether you're a student, a working professional, a homemaker or a retired person, this course will help you immensely. So what are you waiting for? Enroll for this course and start learning about graphology and bring amazing positive changes in your life. All the best.